Hello and welcome to White Glove Reviews. In this video, I wanted to talk about two Swiss Army knives that kind of feel like they belong together poetically. And this is the Rambler and the Rogue. And the Rambler and the Rogue are amazingly similar Swiss Army knives. Like, shockingly similar. Like, you would not believe how similar these things are. Now, the Rambler is still in production, and the Rogue is not. So let's open these up and we'll take a look at them and see. Now, these are both the usual 58mm Swiss Army knives, only can't get it open. Alright, these are the usual 58mm Swiss Army knives. They're the small ones. Same kind of size as the classics. Alright, now this is the Rambler. Now, the Rambler has one of those little bottle opener slash wire stripper slash Phillips head screwdriver tools. It's got the usual little knife blade, tweezers, and toothpick, like you would expect. And oops, and on the flip side, it's got scissors. It's got scissors, and it's got a nail file. It's got a nail file with a little flathead screwdriver on it. Now, the Rogue is very similar. So, to look at the differences in the Rogue, one is the nail file is different. You have a pointy nail file instead of the one that's in the Phillips head screwdriver. Nah, Phillips head, flathead screwdriver. And the other thing is the Rambler has a little Phillips head tip, and this one has a flathead screwdriver tip. So it's really the only difference. Those are the differences. Now, the Rogue is currently discontinued, or is discontinued, but the Rambler is still available. And I kind of thought it was poetic to have them together in the same video, because you have the Rambler and the Rogue. I don't know. Maybe it's less poetic than I think it is. I also wanted to be able to refer to the Rambler as rogue-like, which is kind of funny. Anyway, it's not a bad little Swiss Army knife. I mean, it's kind of a... I mean, it's definitely a keychain knife, much like the classics. Get a little more oomph from it. Anyway, let me know what you think. I'm guessing, I mean, like, the Rambler is, I mean, it's an improvement over the other one, you could argue, because you get a Phillips head screwdriver out of the deal, and this one has, the Rogue has the flathead screwdriver at the end of its tool, at the end of its little tool thing. At the end of its little tool thing. It has a flathead screwdriver here, and you get the Phillips head screwdriver here because you pick up the flathead on the nail file. So I mean, it's definitely one of those things, like it's a little iterative improvement, I think. The only issue I see is if for some reason you preferred having the oops. The only thing I see being an issue is if you preferred having the pointy nail file, because that's the only thing you really lose. So I don't know. What do you think? Do you think the Rambler is a minor improvement over the Rogue, or not? Let me know what you think in the comments. Anyway, if you've enjoyed this video, Please like and subscribe, and I hope y'all have an excellent day.